Hello everyone, we are here to talk about our system restore and our recovery in our Windows 10 operating system. To get started, let's go with system restore first. I can click on my start button. I'll go into my control panel. In my control panel, I'm going to head over to system and security. Inside of system and security, we'll go ahead and click on security and maintenance. When security and maintenance opens up, we're going to go ahead and click on recovery. The options I see here talk about creating a recovery drive to assist us, or using System Restore, or configuring System Restore itself. We're going to go ahead and click on Open System Restore. This is going to open up the System Restore application on my computer. Now, System Restore is a great tool, but it only helps us with our system files. This is not going to be able to back up and recover personal files and data on our machine. So I can go ahead and click Next, and I will be able to see a restore point if one has been created. These restore points are created for things such as Windows updates and critical fixes, as well as you can manually create them. I created this restore point myself and I named it Restore 1. I would be able to select this and click Next, and once I click Finish, my system is going to be restored back to the original system files that were utilized on this exact time and date of this restore point. And again, System Restore will only restore system files, not your personal files. So I'm going to click cancel and close out of this, and we're going to take a look now at the recovery options for our Windows 10 environment. If you want to take a look at the recovery options, the proper way to go about it is Start, Settings. Inside of Settings, we'll scroll down and I'll click on Update and Security. In Update and Security, we're going to go to the left side of the screen and we're going to click on Recovery. Inside of Recovery, we've got a couple different options that exist. One of the first things we want to talk about, though, is something called a recovery partition. Now, recovery partition isn't listed here. A recovery partition is a special section of your hard disk that is really inaccessible to the user. This gives you an area to restore off of from when your original manufacturer made your machine and installed an operating system on it. A lot of times these recovery partitions will include some proprietary applications made by the vendor who created your computer. My system does not have a recovery partition, so we're going to look at some of the other options for our Windows 10 recovery. The option we're going to take a look at is called Reset This PC. If I click Get Started for Reset This PC, what we can see here is two options. Windows 10 can reset my PC and keep my files, or reset my PC and remove everything. Reset the PC is really reinstalling the Windows 10 operating system. Now, if I don't want to lose my personal data, I'll click the top option, Keep My Files. If I want a brand new experience where everything is gone, including my personal files, I would click Remove Everything. I want to keep my files, so I'll click on Keep My Files. It's going to take a quick look at my system. It's going to analyze the applications that are installed, as well as what we're about to do with this reset process. Right here it can tell us you can reinstall some of the apps from the store, but we'll have to reinstall these following ones from the web or using the original install disks. That's these applications listed here. I can go ahead and click Next, and at this point it says we are ready to reset the PC. And using this reset process in our recovery area is going to remove all apps and programs, change the settings of my computer back to their defaults, and reinstall Windows without removing my personal files, which is my personal data. All I would do is click Reset, and the process would get started. Take your time and practice with the Windows System Restore and also Windows Recovery and become that IT professional.